Hi, Carrot. Hi, Mama. Hey, little baby. Hi, Cappuccino. Hi, Pixie. You got your new babies out here? Are your new babies outside? Yeah? Hi, guys. Hi, Cap. What are you doing? Hi, big boy. Say hello, Cappuccino. Well, be nice to the kitty. Yeah, you be nice to the kitty. I don't think they want your face in their face. Yeah, I don't think they want your face in their face. No, you have to back up, bud. Hi, baby. Hello. Hello. You can't eat my phone. You can't eat it, but hello. Hello. And the chickens. Baby goat. Baby goat. Hi. What are you doing? Hi, Mama. Hi, Gertie. Ah. Goofy animals. Be nice. Hi, baby. Little Ragnar, huh? Yeah. What's up, Oreo? Do you see yourself? Do you see yourself? Hi, Mama. Hi, little baby. Hi, little other baby. Hi. Yeah? What are you doing? Hi, you're curious. Yes, you are. What a curious little baby, huh? Yeah, what a curious little baby. What are you doing? What are you doing, guys? Hi, Gertie. What are you doing, guys? Hi, little one. He's a jealous boy. Hi. Hi, how are you? Hi, how are you? I'm a jealous boy.